friends. Trey here, founder of Journey to Wellness, Mind and Body, fitness coach, nutrition coach, and I put together a new video for you today. We're going to be talking about foods that aid in digestion and inflammation. So let's get to it. Today we're talking about foods that aid digestion and reduce inflammation. We're going to cover ginger, peppermint, pineapple, papaya, yogurt, and asparagus. So we're going to start with ginger, and in addition to the great taste that ginger provides, a range of health benefits that you can enjoy in many forms. And one of the first things is it helps with pregnancy. So ginger has been a staple across cultures and generations, and women have praised the power of ginger to ease morning sickness and other queasiness. And ginger is a non-pharmaceutical remedy for nausea and vomiting. It helps with bloating and gas. So eating ginger can cut down fermentation and constipation and various other causes of intestinal bloating and gas. Ginger helps with cell repair. Ginger contains antioxidants, which are molecules that help manage free radicals. And free radicals can damage cells when their numbers grow too high. Excuse me. There are several ways to enjoy ginger. Tea, powder, supplement, the fresh root. Now, with the fresh root, you can also make tea. You can use it on salads. You can put it in soups. Take it easy, though. As with any other food or supplement, there have been some studies that raise concerns of eating too much could interfere with some prescriptions and your insulin levels. So talk to your doctor if you have any concerns. Next up is peppermint. The benefits of peppermint oil was very interesting. I learned a lot researching this for you guys. Several studies suggest that enteric-coated peppermint oil capsules, which allow the pill to pass through the stomach so it can dissolve in the intestines, may help relieve common symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome, such as abdominal pain, bloating, and gas. Okay, that being said, the non-enteric-coated forms of peppermint oil, however, actually may cause or worsen heartburn and nausea. So you want to make sure you read the label very thoroughly. Preliminary studies also suggest that dietary supplements containing a combination of peppermint oil and caraway oil may help relieve indigestion. Now, dietary supplements containing peppermint oil are also used by some people for the following condition, although there's no clear evidence that they are really helpful for all of them. So there's nausea, vomiting, morning sickness, cramps of the upper tract, digestive tract, and diarrhea, gas, colds, coughs, inflammation of the throat, respiratory infection, even menstrual cramps. And peppermint has a calming and numbing effect, and it is often used to treat headaches and skin irritation, flatulence, and anxiety associated with depression. If you use your peppermint essential oil, make sure you add it to a carrier oil like jojoba or almond oil. So when you apply it to like your head for a headache or to your nose for anxiety, just make sure it's not that potent essential oil straight from the bottle. So next up we have pineapple. Now, I didn't know that how much fiber pineapple has. It has about 2 cups it has about 2 grams of fiber per cup. Another reason pineapples are such a good snack is they have a high water content. So about 85 to 90% of a pineapple is water. So it can help you stay hydrated, and you can add this to your snacks to sweeten up your daily water regimen. Now, because of the vitamin C content, pineapple helps support your immune system too. They are great for the gut. Excuse me. Pineapple is unique because it's the only food source of bromelain. And bromelain is a digestive enzyme that helps break down proteins. Pineapples have about 20 milligrams of magnesium per cup. Magnesium is an essential mineral because it helps regulate blood pressure, muscle function, and it also helps potassium, which pineapples also have, get into the body. So magnesium also helps you fall asleep. So maybe eat a bit of pineapple if you're struggling to get to sleep. Pineapples are good in smoothies, salads, grilled chicken, cakes. You can even dry them and they're still good. Next up, we have the delicious papaya. It is an anti-inflammatory fruit. It's really awesome. Papaya is full of antioxidants, which supports the body to remove the free radicals and fight inflammation. A study found that papaya extract helped decrease oxidative stress in the liver and the stomach and the kidneys. So this wasn't a human study, but the trial results came out that were cool. I think so. So papayas also heavily in are featured heavily in natural beauty products. They tout papaya as the main ingredient, and that is because of the high vitamin C content, which helps minimize premature aging, while the beta carotene reduces damage from the sun. The vitamin in papaya acts like a scrub and loosens dead skin cells and gives you a nice glow. Excuse me, papaya also relieves bloating and constipation. This is due to the enzyme papain that helps digest protein. So when you are shopping for an enzyme to help with digestion, papain is almost always one of the ingredients. Papaya has lots of fiber. Half of a large papaya has about 7 grams of fiber. That's about 30% of your recommended daily intake. So, get enough fiber is crucial for your digestive tract and to keep it running properly. So, you want to try to incorporate your papaya, cut it up and eat it as snacks. You can add it to smoothies. Now, it's not traditional, it's not very sweet like a pineapple. So, you can couple it with something that will add that sweetness if you like it. But I think it's delicious on its own. Let's see here. Now, next up, we have yogurt. And yogurt, I'll kind of go back and forth with, but one of the main things that I think is beneficial about yogurt is it's a good source of protein. Um, there's some evidence that yogurt with active cultures may help certain gastrointestinal conditions, including lactose intolerance, constipation, diarrhea, inflammatory bowel disease, and H. pylori infection, which is really hard to get rid of. So, um, probiotics will help with that. Yogurt has many benefits, and some probiotic strains may boost the immune system. Yogurt may also help with osteoporosis because it's a milk product. It has calcium, and when you couple that with vitamin D, both of those ingredients together help build bones. Yogurt may also help you feel fuller, especially if you add fresh fruit, because most fresh fruit has a little bit of fiber, and you get that the protein um, in the yogurt, and that helps you feel full longer. So, but you want to read the label when you're selecting your yogurt. Consider the amount of added sugars. It's if it's been pasteurized, which is kills the naturally occurring active cultures, therefore deleting the benefits of eating it. Besides the protein content and the artificial sweeteners, if you have the artificial sweeteners in there, now you've got your body trying to separate that, and it's just it can just be a whole mess. And so you just want to just be careful and make sure you read your labels and make sure it says that it has active cultures. Which active cultures are these? The cultures that you're looking for to help with your digestive tract and so on and so forth. So, and we know that yogurt is good as a snack on its own. You can add fresh fruit, you can add oats, you can add it to smoothies. So it's just a delicious addition. And last but not least is this asparagus. Now, asparagus is an acquired veggie. It's like a cilantro. You either love it or hate it. But not only is asparagus low in calories, it has a lot of fiber. It has both soluble and insoluble fiber. And we know that fiber helps you feel satiated, which makes it beneficial for weight loss. So, fiber can also relieve constipation, and research suggests it may also help to lower your cholesterol. Now, asparagus also may help prevent UTIs. It contains high levels of an amino acid that makes it a natural diuretic, and which um, especially for women, our urinary tract is very short, so we're more susceptible to urinary tract infections, and eating the asparagus may help you with that. And of course, asparagus tastes delicious in salads. You can broil it, you can bake it, you can roast it, you can steam it, you can stir fry it, you can chop it up and put it in salads. It's a very versatile vegetable. So, and then that's it. Those are um all of our. Oh, one more thing about asparagus. If you get the purple kind has a lot. It's super powerfully packed with antioxidants. And then another thing, it also can help with hangovers. Research suggests that a side effect of asparagus might be a better choice if the morning after you've had too many drinks. So in a laboratory, they grew cells, and it suggested that the minerals and amino acid in asparagus extract may help ease hangovers and protect the liver cells from the toxins in the alcohol. And last but not least, and one of the good things about asparagus is it's full of folic acid. It has lots of vitamin K, and it has lots of vitamin B. And those three um, essential nutrients are immune support and mood support. So it's just an all around really good vegetable to incorporate. And for real this time, that's it. Thank you so much for taking the time to listen. I hope you guys picked up some new tips, and we'll see you next time. Bye.